Hi everybody, welcome back to Mindful Baking with me, Sally, and Sam, of course, filming and editing and lending us his beautiful kitchen. Thank you very much, as usual. And last time we were together, we made some iced buns, and you guys seemed to really enjoy it, which I'm really pleased about because I really enjoyed it, and I knew you guys were gonna love it as well. And it got me thinking about bread in general and how bread is the ultimate lesson in mindfulness, because it's a very simple process in terms of the hands-on stuff that we need to do. Once it's baked, it's kind of baked. We don't really have to do too much to it afterwards. But the thing it does require is a lot of time. And that is what this whole kind of project is about, really. This whole mindful baking project is carving out time for ourselves. And so that's why I thought today we should make some actual bread. Now, we've never actually made anything savory on this channel before, so I feel very honoured to be doing this. I mean, the main reason is that we're a bakery, we make sweets, and none of us have ever really kind of learned about bread. Like it's, you know, like I said last week, I'm not a bread maker. I've never learned how to do this, but focaccia, which is what we're going to make today, is something that I have genuinely always made for myself. It's really fun and it's really delicious, and not a lot can go wrong. Whatever you end up with out of your oven is going to be really tasty, and it's a lovely all-day project. So please don't get scared by that, because the hands-on stuff is only like 10-15 minutes at a time, but it's something that we always come back to, so you can get on with doing some kind of chores or the shopping or whatever it is, but you know you're going to come back to your bread and have that kind of 10-15 minutes of just purely focusing on what we're doing. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make some focaccia. There are so many focaccia recipes out there. I'm not going to claim that this is the best one. This is just my one, and if you want to bake along with me, then great. If you have one that you want to make of a different recipe, this is just your reminder to take some time out for yourself. So with all that being said, grab your apron and let's get started. So this focaccia is not long out of the oven, and it's cool enough so that we can cut it, but it's still warm because I think eating it warm is so delicious. Look at the bottom, looks great as well. Sorry, I'm just gonna marvel at the beauty of it. It's all lumpy and bumpy and golden, and putting that olive oil has given it this gorgeous color. And now let's do this. Oh my gosh. That is so delicious. It really is worth using a good olive oil for this because you get so much flavour. I mean, you saw how much olive oil we put on it. It was a lot, but it needs it. And it's like the total characteristic of this is oil and salt, and it is so beautiful. And once you've made like a standard focaccia, you can do so many fun things with it. You can put all sorts of different toppings on it, lots of like tomatoes, lots of different fresh herbs. You can put onions, you can put different cheeses on it, you can put potatoes. I've even done like a grape one, which was amazing. So there's loads of stuff that you can play with, and just, yeah, give it a go, have fun. Honestly, there's really not much that can go wrong. Even if it doesn't like rise or anything, you'll still get this beautiful crisp bread coming out of your oven that tastes gorgeous. So I hope you give this a go. Plan it into your weekend or your day off so that you've got loads of time to do it and it's the main focus of your day, and everything else just slots in around it. Perfect. We absolutely love reading about the things that you guys bake that take you back to your childhood, or maybe from a particular part of the world where you're from, or the things that you bake to help you unwind. So please keep sharing those with us in the comments box. We really love reading them, and we are excited to bring some of those to the channel to share with everybody, our little community that we've started to build up here. And we really look forward to another Mindful Bake with you guys really soon. Thanks so much. Oh.